Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a fun project share. As you can see by the title above, I have been meaning to do this project, and you guys, I am so excited that I finally got to do it right before the weekend is about to end. But before we get into that, I wanted to say thank you guys so much for all the love on the rosette video. You guys have been so awesome and have been enjoying that video, but also have some questions. You guys want a tutorial on the one with the washi sheet in the middle. There's one that I followed, and I'm gonna have it linked down below, so you guys can definitely go check it out. And also have been asking what adhesive I use on the acetate rosettes. I just use a little dab of hot glue. As you can see, the little fog on this part of the pleat, but it's nothing major. Once you put it on a project, it totally disappears. I just feel like that's what holds it better, because the acetate kept like popping off. So when I used the hot glue, it just stood still because it dries fast and it dries hard. So yeah, you guys, that is the glue that I used. But if I can do a process video, find the time maybe next week, do a process video on making some rosettes, how I make them, I'm definitely going to do that. And what else did I want to tell you guys? As far as the box that I showed you guys, I did put the SVG file that I used. I tweaked it a little bit. It was kind of like a chest box. I made it just a regular box because I really wasn't interested in doing the chest part of it. And yeah, you guys, I think that's it. Stay tuned for a haul video coming soon, because Tony Craft Purge is the only enabler and posted a sticker machine that she can't live without. And of course, Lily had to order it because I thought it was amazing. Sometimes we have these little dies or die cuts that you just want to add adhesive to, and it's like such a pain in the neck. And then you can just run it through that sticker machine. So of course I ran and purchased it because I need it as well, and because she enables me. So yes, Tony, if you're watching, you enable me. And I think that's all I have to tell you guys. I think I have one more thing to tell you, but no, I think that's about it. So you guys, as far as the project that I'm going to show you, first I want to show you what I used before we get into the project. I used Jen Hadfield along the way. I have been meaning to use this collection, but it was hidden in my cart, and then I found it and I was like, what? This is what I'm going to use. So pretty. So this is the paper pad. This is the ephemera pack. So this is what I used. And then it also comes with wood veneers. As you can see, I put one on the rosette because I was about to use it, but I ended up not using it. So it's in here. But you guys, I have been wanting to create a vinyl record kind of like project since I saw Serena B send over kind of like an entry, I think, because she sent some happy mail with a really cool like record style project for, I think, an entry for Alice, Love Letter Generation, or All About Alice. I know it was one of them too. And I've just been inspired ever since. Plus I've seen Shira Crane do record style stuff. Just records are like in right now, I think, because when All Heart came out, it's just everybody's been into the whole record embellishments and all that stuff. And then you guys, my wife gets BarkBox for her dog, and she received this theme yesterday in the mail. So if this was not the push of the universe saying, Lily, just do the mail, because I know that's what you want to do. So this is what made me want to do it. And I received this in the box, and it's kind of like a fake vinyl record because the theme is hairy metal. And I think this is so cute, you guys. So it was kind of like a template for me, like, here, we're going to make it even easier for you. Here's your template, go make that project. And that's what I did, you guys. I created 2 vinyl records, and I am obsessed. So the first one I created is this one, and it's a clear pocket where I backed it with some cardstock to make a shaker, and it has some ephemera in the inside. See, so cute. I put some flowers just to kind of break up the, because I don't like it when the shaker just stays down in one side, like in one side. So I break it up with little, see, little pieces. I got stars. I have these little flowers, resin flowers. And then the shaker, it still shakes, but it doesn't just fall down on the project. And then I backed up this little word phrase with a little piece of the paper collection. I did tons of stitching all the way around. And then it's just a clear pocket, as you can see. And here is the record. Look at that, you guys. And this tune is called Sweet Girl. I did some stitching all the way around, you guys. That is so hard. So it's not perfect, but it's okay. I am okay with that. It's not meant to be, but it's just meant to give the illusion of a record. And you guys, I'm obsessed. I think this came out so cute. And I used some really thick chipboard, so it's super sturdy. Look at that. It's not flimsy at all. It's super duper thick. It's some packaging that came in my Scrapbookcom order. Always save those, and I made the 2 records. And you guys, I am obsessed. This is the sleeve. Like, who wouldn't want to receive this in some happy mail? And that's what the back looks like. I was gonna cover it, but I'm like, no, you know what? I like that look. I think it looks so good, so cute. But this one is not my favorite one, you guys. Wait till I show you the other one. This one is not on a clear sheet. It's on white cardstock, and this is the cover. You guys, isn't this so pretty? So it says, hi, thinking of you. We got some puffy hearts here, some enamel dots. I did some doilies, some flowers from Flourish, because this paper is all floral. So I thought it would go well. There's 3 pieces layered together of the ephemera pack. And then I put the hi in the middle and one of the wood veneers from the pack of the collection as well. And you guys, I'm obsessed. It's just white on the background, and it just has my little label here. But who wants to listen to You and Me? Isn't that cute, you guys? Oh my gosh, I can't even deal. I am so excited about this project. I love how it turned out. You guys, look at this. Isn't it adorable? This is You plus Me. So those are like the names of the records, the little stickers that I put on them. But look at the record, you guys, with the little girls on it. So cute. That's the back. It's just solid black. Look at that. You guys, I am obsessed with this project. And I'm going to do a tutorial because I kind of winged it. But I'm going to do one where I can do the measurements and create one with you guys, because I know for a fact I want to create some more of these. And we are going to make one. So stay tuned for that video. I'm going to try to do it later on today, or if not tomorrow, being that I get out of work early on Mondays. But yeah, you guys, tell me down below if you guys don't think this is the sweetest, most cutest thing ever. Like, if you want to dedicate a record to your bestie or your pen pal, you could write their names on it or make a fun little title. So cute. These are my projects. I hope you guys love them. I am obsessed. I need to make more, and I definitely need to make a tutorial for you guys. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos. I try to get in as many as I can over the weekend, because lately it's been super hard for me to do it during the week. I come home so tired that I really don't want to craft. I just want to lay down and relax. But yeah, let me know down below if you enjoyed today's video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Have a great Sunday. Bye.